need you for the old me, need you for my sanity.
Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and I'm back with more Barbie Fashionistas. And this one is actually a fashionista I wasn't even sure I was going to get. This is Fashionista number 161. But after I watched some reviews on YouTube from YouTubers such as Candy Dolls and Ruby Red World of Dolls, I saw that they did reviews of her and that she's so beautiful. So I did actually add her to the back of my Fashionista box. You can see I have hearts on some of my favorites. I ran out of heart stickers, so I put a, yes, Jack Skellington sticker. Nightmare Before Christmas. Yes, but now that I have her, I can actually color that in. Alright, so now that one's colored in. And, I have a feeling very soon I'll be able to color his in as well. Alright, so enough talking. Let's get her open. So I love that Mattel now offers us these reusable bags on the side of the boxes. So not only is it easier for you to get your doll out, it's also like you're winning twice because you also get this cool reusable bag. And here is a look at the entire line of this 2020-2021 Barbie Fashionistas. Alright, so here we have 161 out of packaging. And I have to say, I can see what they saw. Her hair is so pretty. It's like a neon orange. It's so pretty. And then she has these brown eyes. And then she has on this cute pink lip. I was thinking about taking the lip off. I think I'll leave the lip. It kind of goes with her plaid dress, which is really, really cool. And the plaid dress actually straps in on the front right there. She has on this yellow fanny pack. And going down to her shoes, they are clear with these like little crystals in them. They're like gray boots. So they kind of like for outer space. To kind of go with the grayness, I kind of don't get it. It's like galactic boots with a office style dress and then a fanny pack as if she's going jogging. A lot of different moods here, but I'm thinking maybe we can help her out because I decided to bring another doll along this journey to help her with her fashions. Hey girl, hey, you going out to the club tonight? Oh, you know I want to, baby, but I need something to wear. Oh, you're right, because after the club, you know where we going, right? Where we going? To the BET Awards. So not only do you need a club look, you need a good premiere look as well, honey. I'll see you at the store. Alright, so now she has her stylish friend here to help her. So now I'm going to come up with 6 new looks. You heard right. 6 new looks for this curvy Barbie so she can get ready to not only party but get ready to go to a premiere as well. She doesn't have earrings or any necklaces or anything, but we're gonna see if we can jazz her up a bit. 6 different looks, and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back, and this is the favorite look that I came up with for Sheena. I decided to give her the name Sheena. She's wearing the BMR jacket with the rainbow skirt, which is fitting nicely, and with these white Barbie sandal boots, you know, yeah. So Jaleel likes her look so much that he said he wants to have a photo shoot with her at the end of the video. So make sure that you guys stay tuned so you can check out some of their photos from their exclusive review. Also, write in the comment section below which look did you think was the best. Maybe you don't agree with this one. Let me know which look was your favorite. I want to thank you for watching today. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like the video, also share the video. And remember, I will see you in my next video. Bye!